Today is Saturday, February 29, 2020. And we are now here at Bagasbas Beach in Daet, Camarines Norte. So we are now having lunch at Camarines Bagasbas Lighthouse. Okay. So ayan. Umorder kami ng crispy pata, chop suey, 3 cups ng plain rice, saka watermelon shake. Ayan. So, ayan yung main road. Yan yung papuntang Mercedes. Ito yung President Corazon C. Aquino Boulevard, longest boulevard in the Philippines daw. Tapos may event sila ngayon oh. Welcome Daet High School, Borotogan 2020. Okay. Ito yung maganda mga container van, mga cargo container, ginawa nilang hotel rooms. Maganda yan sa loob Okay. Tapos meron silang sports bar doon. Inuman sa gabi. Inuman sa gabi. Okay. So ayun yung lighthouse. Dapat pala binidyoan ko nung pagpasok. Mas kita galing sa labas Okay. So nandito yung swimming pool nila. Ito yung lighthouse, kita. Karaoke. Parang 4-5 yung ground floor, 3-5, 2-5. Tapos yung consumable yung parang 2,000, ewan, ganun. Ito ang swimming pool nila. May bridge. Tapos ito ang cottage na kinakainan namin ngayon. Wala pa yung pagkain. Okay, cut na.